Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chelegance video. Today we are taking a look at the Chelegance U5V3 Portable Dual Band Yagi Antenna. Designed for 145 and 435 MHz, mainly for satellite and ISS communication. If you are into amateur radio or satellite tracking, this is a compact directional antenna worth checking out. Alright, let's open it up. Inside the box, everything is well organized and designed for portability. We got the Yagi antenna elements, the boom sections, mounting hardware, and accessories. Everything is lightweight and clearly meant for field operation. It's a modular design. It's a plug and assemble structure, so you can set it up quickly without tools. The boom feels solid but still light enough to carry outdoors. Since it's directional Yagi, the goal is simple: improve gain and focus compared to a regular or mini directional antenna. This is a dual band antenna supporting 145 MHz VHF and 435 MHz UHF, so it's ideal for satellite communication, ISS tracking, repeater work, and field directional operation. The main advantage is directionality. Once you aim it properly, you can noticeably improve signal clarity and strength. In actual use, you can either hold it manually while tracking satellites or mount it to a tripod for better stability. Just point it along the satellite path, and you'll get much better signal performance. So overall, the U5V3 is a lightweight, portable Yagi antenna designed for satellite and VHF or UHF users who want better directional control in the field. In the next video, I'll walk you through the full antenna setup step by step, so you can see exactly how to get it assembled and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one. 73.